Hello and welcome to Walking Bookseller. Thanks for joining me. This is a new channel. Do subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. And today we're out of town. We're east of Bath and I'm going to take you to CHILCOMBE Bottom, which is a managed wetland managed by Wessex Water, which used to be a reservoir many decades ago. Now it's quite a climb to get up there, so there won't be a lot of talking in this video, which I'm sure you'll enjoy. So that's the steepest part of the walk done. I didn't film myself going up the hill because you just see me puffed out. So that's the two steepest parts of the walk out the way, which I'm very pleased about. It's more downhill from here. CHILCOMBE Bottom sits in a little valley beside Salisbury Hill, just east of Bath. And that of course is the Salisbury Hill in the Peter Gabriel song, not Salisbury Hill, which is a different place further over into Wiltshire. We're in Somerset here today. Whenever I come here, because it's usually so quiet and serene, occasionally you meet a dog walker, which is nice as I love dogs. I always have the urge to bring plastic dinosaurs down here and pose them amongst the horsetails. But of course horsetails predate the dinosaurs, the ancient group of plants. And there certainly are a lot of them at the moment. I always love to see them. I grew up near a very wet pond type area which I loved as a child. It's half term in England, so I won't be getting out to shoot during the week because there'll be too many people around. And it's Saturday morning, so I thought I'd strike while the iron was hot, as they say, while the weather was good. And yeah, I'm really glad I've come out. So as you might have guessed, if you don't watch my other channel, I live in Bath in Somerset in England, and I've done some travel videos there, but I started this channel because really my travel videos are different to my others, as I do literature on my other channel. And so I'm going to show you a lot around Bath. I may upload some things I shot before a year or two ago which haven't had a lot of views on my other channel, and you'll also see some things from Italy, but I hope to shoot quite a bit around the West Country over the next couple of months. Somerset, Wiltshire, South Gloucestershire, Dorset. And let me know if you want videos which have no voiceover, or just a little bit, or a lot, whether you like the music. If I use music, it's usually because there's somebody jabbering away in the background, because you know how it is in Britain now. Trying to get away from crowds is really difficult, even though I'm quite good at that. So let me know what you would like to see, and as soon as the weather improves and kids are back in the school, which means places are less crowded, I'm going to get out and shoot some more for you. So there might be some archive stuff coming up in the meantime. Well, I hope you enjoyed that walk around CHILCOMBE Bottom, east of Bath. And there'll be more like this, and there'll be more urban stuff coming as well, of course, as the channel goes forward. And now I'm going to leave you because I have to walk back up there and back up the hills I came down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, watch my other channel, Outlaw Bookseller, and I'll see you again soon.